In this video, what I'm going to do for y'all today is I'm going to go over with a little power LED light. Check this thing out, everybody. Open it up here. You have, a little hook here, and I think this hook is designed to hold the top and then go on like a bar or something like that. Maybe a tent stake or a tent railing or something. And just kind of like going over the instructions here, you can kind of like see everything that's on it. I will show y'all exactly what you get when, let's open it up and look at it, because I'm excited to see this thing. Number one, what a nice case it came in right here. Unzipping it up, here you get, it looks like a little lanyard. So like a little lanyard to hook onto it, a USB-C, so it has a USB-A to USB-C. And then looking at this, it's like got a little elastic band right there, and this comes in this little thing. Get rid of that. Look at this design. What a cool design. Number one, it has magnets right here, so it's got a magnetic back to it. It has a port right here that looks like it's a 1/4 inch for putting it on a tripod or something. How cool is that it can be used as like a light for filming and something like that. I like how this handle works right here. It's a square design, and check this out. So that's what this works like that. This will go down in there like that. See how that locks on there, and then it hooks it, so you could hook it on like a tree limb, you could hook it somewhere, but then you also have that magnetic thing right here where it could just magnetic if you're working on a car or something like that. This is Ipx5 waterproof, so it has some like waterproof abilities to it. Has a very premium feel to it. Looking over the back, it's a 80-watt LED. The output voltage is 5 volts by 2 amps. The input is 5 volts by 2 amps. Power consumption is 6 watts. The entire thing is less than 10 ounces. It's probably like 9, I think they said 9.7 ounces on the entire thing. Charge time on this thing is around about 6 hours, because you know why? It has a 13,500 watt milliamp battery in this thing, which is a massive battery if you think about it. So it's also a power bank. And just looking over it, that gives you working, and then so looking at this, if you're going white light only, that gives you 300 hours of time using this thing. High mode, if it's in high mode, it'll give you 11, and then warm light will give you 300, and then warm white light will give you 150, and then that's about 6 hours. So these are hours. That's a long time. So let's just let me show you this right here. Looking at it right there, you can see how it's 99% charged right there. I love it that they give you an indicator on the charge light. So you get the little lanyard, you're just gonna connect it right there. And then this has USB out right here and USB in. So very handy that they have that on there. So to turn this thing on, you're gonna double press the power. You got your light there, double press it again, goes off. So double press power, hit it once, changes to warm. Now that's warm and light combined. I will show this at night, by the way, and then turn it off. So hit the red flashing. How cool is that? Check that out, everybody. You could put that up, and that way if you're like working on a tire, changing a tire or something, and you need a flashing red light, you have the SOS there. So you have the SOS light right there. Very handy. Let me go ahead and click over to nighttime, and let's see what this thing looks like at night. So let's do that now. All right, everybody, here we are. We're at nighttime here. Obviously, you can see it's night. I have the light right here. Let me double press it and get it to come on. There's the light. You can see it's not like a spotlight. It's more like a lantern that you would carry like this, and you can kind of see how it goes like that. And then let me go ahead and hit it on this. It's 1000 luminous, so it's not like the brightest, but this is great for hanging in a tent. So let's go ahead, double press those. There's one. Now let's see, it's more of a warm light. You can see that. And this is a warm and white light combined, which gives it a little more shine right there. And then turning it off, and then you can hit, see that works really well as a safety light. That's almost like a brake light. And then you can turn it on the multi-flash right there, and just have it. I think it has an always, no, it's like a slow flash. So that's like an SOS flash. Looks really good. I think that works perfect. That's it. That's all I got today, everybody, on the LED light. See you guys in the next video. Woo!